Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there are two big updates which is coming here from TCS and Cognizant. TCS Free NQT 2025 result is announced for some colleges, right? For some student, here you can see so TCS Selection Process, TCS NQT, next round interview process, right? And the exam is conducted in October 2024. Basically, the exam was conducted on 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th of October on campus. Off campus TCS NQT date also I will be telling you in this video. That will be the probable month basically, right? And Cognizant has started sending email for aptitude assessment test, right? And the aptitude assessment test duration is 60 minutes. We will talk in detail. I request all of my audience to please watch the complete video before you conclude anything, right? Because this video is an informative video, right? Which will tell you that you have to prepare now, right? And you have to start your preparation from now. Okay, so this is the email received by one of the student. You can see the time here, right? So 2309, that means yesterday at 11:09. Okay, and here TCS selection process, right? TCS NQT next round interview process, right? TCS confidential, definitely the name of the candidate is hidden here. See friends, it's very simple. Tomorrow if you share some detail with us, sir, this is what I have received from TCS, should I take the screenshot with your name and all and then should I make a video? No. See, for me, no, for Online Study for You, two things are very, very important. One is the genuine information and second one is the student, right? See, today wherever we are, whatever we are, it's all because of you, right? So at any cost, we will not, right? Any problem because of us will never happen to you. That is my promise. That is my guarantee. Don't worry about it, right? Okay. So greetings from TCS campus recruitment team. So this is basically a proof for the student. Many of they start telling, sir, this is, kind of edited. So that's the reason I have also kept some more proof. Don't worry about it. So congratulations. We are happy to inform you that basis your performance in the TCS National Qualifier Test conducted in October 2024, you have been shortlisted for a TCS Prime interview with us, right? See, friend, this particular student, so he has written the exam on 5th of October 2024, right? And yesterday was 11th of October, so within 6 days only he got the result. Okay, fine. So further details on the interview process would be shared with you shortly. So important note, kindly be informed that eligibility criteria as informed to you as part of the application process is checked at multiple stages during the selection process. Any discrepancy in the eligibility criteria at any hiring stage may lead to disqualification of your candidature. So we wish you all the very best. Okay, now one thing here you can see, so Hyderabad Tata Consultancy Services. Now friends, I would like to tell you, right? See, a student has started receiving the email right now. I don't know, right? So for which reason? So they are sending it to North, maybe you say for Maharashtra, they are sending it for Madhya Pradesh, they are sending it for Karnataka, they are sending it for Hyderabad. That totally I don't know. But the mail which we have received, here we can see that this is right. So Hyderabad TCS. So there might be a possibility in Hyderabad TCS. They might have a requirement and then they have started selecting the prime candidate, right? So these are the information. Definitely, see, I am not in TCS and I do not have contact to the top level where I will get the exact information what is happening. Otherwise, I could have already told you when will be your joining, when will be your exam, what question will come. That kind of information I don't have. I have my student who are working in TCS, that's all. And they will not have this kind of information, right? Okay, so whatever I know, that only I will tell you. So yesterday I uploaded one video. Okay, so I will just show you, and I had to, right? So here if you'll go, and I had to, disable the comment for this particular video because many students started telling, sir, because of one comment, you are making a video that result is announced this, that, and so many things, right? Now also you will be telling, sir, because of one screenshot you are making a video. So friends, we also did, right? So here you see, so we also did here. So how many got mail regarding some kind of poll? Okay, TCS NQT of October 2024. So there are 4% out of total 44 votes. Some told I got mail for Ninja, some told I got mail for digital, 3% told got mail for Prime, and 89% said no mail received, right? Few of them have received, and as part of informative video, you have to understand that now you get prepared for the interview. At any point of time you might get email, right? So here also TCS NQT October result status, 15% said got the result, 25% said result not yet published, and 60% just said okay, I'm checking the poll, right? Okay, so few students have received, okay, and here I just wanted to tell you, see here you can see, friends, so one of the student, the one who got selected for Prime, so he sent an email, sir, selected as Prime candidate for the interview from TCS NQT on which was conducted on 5th of October 2024. Hi sir, thanks for your support and guidance, sir. Need more informative content regarding TCS preparation, right? Okay, so greetings from TCS, same thing, the same email what I had showed you. So this was sent by one of the student, right? So we had received that info@onlinestudyforyou.in, right? So friends, see, whatever information we are getting, we are definitely sharing with you, right? So there is nothing to hide. Okay, now so this is just an information video. Now also I am telling, okay, don't think that, sir, because many of you will start commenting, sir, we have not received result, sir, our college has not received result, even one student has also not received. So I am not telling for your college also it is the result is announced, but it has, the result has started coming. So what you have to do is you have to start your preparation for the interview. Okay, see, there is nowhere officially on TCS portal the result date or result is declared. You are directly getting the email. Okay, it seems the result is announced for Prime and for very particular location. So right now I will not tell so which particular Ninja, digital or Prime, because I have seen the mail with Prime for 2 candidates, and I could say okay, for Prime the result might be released, but you saw just now the poll there, they're telling few Ninja and digital candidate has also got. You can get the result anytime, just get prepared. We have no idea currently on what basis result is declared. We need to wait and see. Off campus, TCS NQT, TCS free NQT, off campus will be happening in December or January. For many colleges, on campus phase 2, right, is going to happen in this month itself. So that information you will be getting from your training and placement department, because TCS will be communicating this to your college directly, not to the YouTube channels, right? Okay, and friends, as usual, I would like to tell you, right, so here we have on our website, if you'll see, so we have the free interview experiences. So just go to our onlinestudyforyou.in, go for interview question, and there you will be able to see the interview experiences for different like experience we have put for digital, for Ninja, for Prime, lot of interviews 10, right? So a lot of things we have already put it, right? So here duration 32 to 5 minute, branch wise, so each and everything we have put it, right? Okay, next, friends, also if you want to crack TCS interview, so get our TCS interview NQT comprehensive interview material, where from mock interview and till the each and everything is there for you. Like we have also captured in 2024 whatever interview happened, so that interview also we have captured. Live mock interview is already going on, so all those things will be able to help you. Live mock interview is not for everyone, it's a common mock live interview, right? Okay, anyway, now friends, in Cognizant, now what is happening? So Cognizant, there is a change which we are able to see here, right? So what is the change we are able to see? So this is for basically Gen C CIS role. Okay, so friends, yesterday again I made a video regarding Cognizant. So for Gen C, okay, for Gen C next, okay, Gen C next, and Gen C Pro, right, and Gen C Pro. So for all this, so the aptitude test was for 80 minutes. Okay, now friends, right now the exam which is happening, and this was for 2025 batch. Right now the exam which is happening is for 2024 batch. Now for 2024 batch, the exam which is ongoing is Gen C CIS role. So this is customer support role basically, right? So customer infrastructure services you can say, right? So this is basically as a IT service role is there. Now, so for this, there is a change which we could see here. The aptitude test is going to be conducted for 60 minutes. Okay. Now, friends, they have not given the clarity that aptitude will be there. Okay. Reasoning will be there. Okay. And game-based aptitude will be there. So this clarity they have not given. Okay. Now, so now how should we prepare? So friends, see, if you will compare the pattern for the 2025 batch, so that already I had explained. So they have right aptitude, okay, aptitude question, no reasoning, 30 question for 30 minutes, 30 question for 30 minutes, okay. And then your game-based aptitude was there, okay. So game-based aptitude was there for the remaining time, okay. But now here what should we do, okay. So friends, if you'll see this pattern, then it is, one thing is definitely sure that aptitude will be asked, okay. Now game-based, what I feel, see my feeling, forget about my feeling, okay. So what I am just telling, so what I feel, there might be game-based aptitude, okay. Now the question comes and stuck at reasoning, so reasoning will be there or not, okay. So friends, reasoning, it's you have to take a risk, okay. So I will suggest at least you are preparing for other examination, so reasoning is easy, so you will be easily able to handle if it is getting asked, okay. But that is totally that you have to decide that you are going to study or not, because I also cannot assure that reasoning will be coming or not, because tomorrow you will come and tell that sir, you only told reasoning will not come. For everything you guys are blaming the teachers. I saw one of the comments today, sir, you are telling 80 minutes for this aptitude and now we have received an email for 60 minutes. Arey bhai, you need to understand yaar. See, this is a different role, this is a different role. Always we compare with the roles and then we make a video, right? Because when it is not defined by Cognizant, how can we say like what will be the pattern? Last moment there will be lot of changes will be there, right? So here I will definitely not comment now anything, okay. So this is this might be the pattern. You have to take a risk, okay. So you can leave it or you can study, it totally depends upon you, but this aptitude will be definitely there. And according to my feelings, okay, this game-based aptitude will be also there. Now many of you might not have received this email, that is again a problem, right? So here if you'll see, so dear candidates, greetings from Cognizant. We are glad to inform that your candidature for Cognizant hiring process is confirmed. We invite you for the aptitude assessment towards the Gen Z role you have applied for. So this is Gen Z CIS role, okay, don't get confused. So this is mandatory assessment. For further move your candidature ahead in the hiring process, please find assessment details and essential system setup guidelines below. Only one attempt is available, therefore ensure that your system is occupied with a working webcam and ensure that it is fully charged, power throughout the assessment duration with uninterrupted internet, right? Okay, so these are the things which you have to do before your test, okay, fine. And then they have given here assessment login credentials, start date and time. So 14th of October 2024 at 3 p.m. A student can log in until 30 minutes after the start time commences, and duration of the test is 60 minutes, okay, and assess Cognizant assessment. Now, so friends, so you have to, if you have not received the Cognizant assessment mail for aptitude, then you have to wait. Don't get panicked by seeing others that others has already received it. Why I have not received? Sir, tell me when I will receive. See, these are the things is not in control with us, okay. Please try to understand. So otherwise, how many comments we will sit and reply? That's when I will receive the Cognizant aptitude assessment. So for that is the reason we make a video and convey that, friends, please wait, okay. Don't get panicked by seeing others result either for TCS or for Cognizant. For any of the examination, the patience is required. Sir, I wrote this exam, when I will get, I give the interview, when I will get the result. Nothing is fixed and nothing is communicated to us. We can only tell you, right, what is going to happen and how you have to prepare. If there is any new vacancies are there, that also we will update you, but all those things definitely you have to wait, right? Okay, so friends, I know there are a lot of people who were commenting a lot of things on this TCS result out video. Friends, I just wanted to tell you, see, if you think we are doing it for views, right, then you are wrong. See, I just want to update you with small information. See, at least you should be aware that the result is getting announced, and now you have to gear up for the interview process. For that reason, the video is uploaded. See, for everything we do, so any student if cleared, right, aptitude test, right, so any small change, big change, each and everything we are doing it for you, right? So, and that too, friends, we are updating, we are the first one who is updating, and once we make the videos, that videos you will be able to see on multiple channels, right? So multiple YouTube channels you will be able to see the videos. And please support us. Instead of writing this kind of comment today, I came with the proof, right? See, I trust you all. If you will say, sir, my exam date is this date, okay, if you'll comment, I will trust you, right? So we have created a trust, right? So as a student, as a teacher, I trust you a lot. As a student, you should trust me, or you should trust online study for you. I will never spread any fake news. Please have a trust. I just did not wanted that email to be publicly showed to all of you. So I don't want anyone to put into the problem. So please understand that thing and support us. You will be always seeing genuine information, right? So that is my guarantee to all of you. Okay, so if I feel that anywhere the information is not correct, I will delete the video that time itself, right? So you can reach out to me anytime. See, I don't check WhatsApp group, I don't check Telegram, I don't check anything, because I'll be mostly spending my time into classes, making the videos. My team handles it. Okay, I totally don't know about that. So you can reach out to me on email. Sometimes I open the email. So if I feel that any information which is there and which is not relevant, okay, which is fake, I will delete the video that time itself. That is my guarantee to all of you. But you will never be getting the wrong information, fake information from online study for you. This is, see, with one video nothing will happen. In other videos also you see the views will be there. It's not like, for this video 10,000 views I am uploading the videos. For other videos also we have good views, right? So at least 10,000 plus is there, all because of you. It's not because of me, it's all because of you, right? So you guys are, so much love we are getting from you all, know that I don't have to say. That videos only shows that. So I don't have to get a view by making this particular video for getting 10,000. No, that is not the goal. The goal is to help you all, right, with whatever possible ways I can do. So please trust us, and we will have a very good journey ahead. We will start uploading the interview preparation, interview experiences, lot of things I have planned for you. See, this website we created, right? So this website we created so that you guys will be having lot of free informations, right? So syllabus, exam PYQ, mock test, right? So we are already working very hard for you all. I don't know how many of you might be realizing it, but the effort which goes here and the money which we earn from here is just 1% of it, right? So that's all I wanted to tell you. So you will be able to see a lot of things here: mock test, syllabus, exam PYQ, interview question in coming future. And till then I am there. You guys will not have any problem. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Please keep supporting us.